Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Taba na. Grabe. Since we came here, we're gaining weight. We're not losing. Sarap taba kasi ng food. Albert gain. How many kilo now you are, Han? 95. Me, I don't know. I did not check. But it's obvious I have double check.
Is that good or not good? Because I don't know what happened.
Well, it's not good gaining weight. It's because of your health. Like cholesterol, heart issue, you know. Yun yung problema kasi pag nag-gain tayo.
Did I gain weight?
No, for you it's okay because you're a kid.
Oh.
But for old people like us, me and Daddy, we should not gain weight. We should maintain our weight, diba? Because
so if
yun
you
na nga.
eat like now what you're eating, you'll gain weight. But if you eat only healthy, then you won't, right?
Yes, we're eating sausage, alam nyo na. Tapos, gawa ako ng leche plan kahapon. Anyway, next week, hopefully we'll start. Weather is good. And yun, where are we going today?
Amsterdam.
Yeah.
Kaya may na Amsterdam.
We're gonna tour you to Amsterdam and to this Sandam. Yung architecture niya, yung basta maganda. Ipapakita namin sa inyo. Anyway, so it's a Mother's Day tomorrow. So happy Mother's Day to all. All the mothers, even yung hindi naman porket hindi ka nanganak, hindi ka na mother. Merong mga nagpapakananay na kahit na hindi naman nila sarili anak. So, salute to you all. And enjoy your Mother's Day and spend time with your mom as much as you can. Oh.
Bye!
Ikaw, may ginawa ka ba sa Mother's Day?
Syempre!
Ano yun? May surprise siya sa akin, hindi ko pa rin alam guys kasi tinatago nila sa akin ng daddy niya. So, I promised them that I don't sneak out to see what is the gift for Mother's Day.
Yeah, and there's 2 gifts.
Dalawa ba? Totoo ba?
There's something writing and there's one secret.
Sige, bukas makikita natin.
And
Anyway.
What I'll read is Dutch, but yeah, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sige, mamaya na lang guys.
Bye!
Ay, ako gano'n. Where are we now? Yaura. So, nag-open yung bridge, then ngayon mag-stop kami. Alam nyo ba, facts here sa Netherlands, all the bridge, Han, right?
What do you mean, huh?
All the bridge like this can be open.
Yeah, it can be open in different ways.
No, but most of the bridge here sa Netherlands,
There's one more there,
It's
Dito.
a possible.
pwede mo yung i-open. So, ganyan siya. Most of the bridge here. Actually, I think almost all, lahat ng bridge dito, nag-open na ganyan.
And why do they open?
Why do they open, Albert?
And I'm asking you.
Because there is a boat coming, passing, di ba?
Yeah, that's what I just said, you know.
In the canal, right?
In the canal.
They are connected to the lakes.
To the lakes. Okay.
And the boat cannot go underneath the bridge without opening.
But why? Some can go under and the other no.
Some of them, yeah. But if you have a sailing boat like there with the mast, it cannot go.
What if it's a small one?
Here. So, nagpark kami dito sa Haarlem. Magte-train kami sa Amsterdam Centrum. Why? Because sa Amsterdam, ang parking fee is 7 euro per hour. Nakakaloka ang mahal. Kung kakain ka lang doon, okay lang, may dala kang sasakyan. But since we're gonna explore Amsterdam, we'll go to the market. So, we park here in Haarlem. Parang how many minutes from Amsterdam City, Han?
20.
Like 20 minutes. And the cost of the train will be like around 20 euros. So, mas mura siya para makamura kami. Kung nag-park na lang kami rito. Di ba, Lek? Okay. And meron na kaming dalang bag para pag may nabili kami sa market, meron kami lalagyan. So, ito na yung train namin. Okay. The t-shirt, ha?
I was searching for it.
Filipino.
I read it too. It says Philippines.
Yung palang parking namin doon, yung pinag-parking namin, libre lang. So, nakasave kami. So, ito na,
What
sa
does it
train.
say?
What's that say?
No,
Filipino. Ito na kami sa train. This is a little bit smaller train than the one we went
Yeah, it's
from
more like commuting.
Para siyang medyo maliit siya kaysa dun sa sinakay namin from St. Groningen. No, but ito mas more stable, di ba? Hindi magalaw yung train. So, papunta na kami sa Amsterdam Central. Dito na kami sa Amsterdam Central. Pababa ng city. Mga train. Hahanap kami ng makakainan kasi gutom na. And voila, we're back in Amsterdam again. Crowded as usual. But now we gonna have lunch first. We're a bit hungry. Oh yeah. And yon, pag nandito ka sa Amsterdam, guys, you can see everything here. And you can smell something. Alam nyo na. Kasi legal dito yon, cannabis. So, yun lang ngayon ko rito pag naglalakad sa Amsterdam, maaamoy mo na siya agad. But, it's a bit crowded today kasi weekend. So, what's happening now? Are we stop?
We're waiting for Anna.
Okay. Okay. But, yes. We're gonna walk all the way dun sa tunnel. Kasi kakain muna kami. Meron dong Wagamama. So, dun kami kakain. And, yeah, we used to stay that side pag nandito kami sa sentrum. Pero, mahal ang hotel dito sa Amsterdam Centrum. Grabe. Kakaloka ang presyo rito. Kasi nga, tourist spot siya. Tourist destination. So, everything is expensive here. But it's nice to come here once in a while. And kakain kami dito sa Wagamama. So, dito guys, ang Wagamama kasi sa Dubai, may sushi sila fresh. Pero ang Wagamama dito sa Netherlands, wala. Kahit sa Belgium, di ba? And, dito, ang toilet sa labas. Kaya ang haba ng pila. So, walang toilet sa loob ng restaurant. Nakakaloka. Pero okay lang. So, pag gusto nyo magpunta rito sa Amsterdam, punta kayo doon sa may duyan. Yung swing. Yun yung mga... Nakita ko yun na binablog eh. Yung sa may taas na ano na yun. Close up natin para makita nyo. Ayan siya. Yung malaking ano, yung sa may swing. I think there's someone doing it. Anyway, so yeah, it's nice to be back here once in a while. And the juice, wag ka muna inom ng juice mamaya after food. And Albert is having small beer.
Oh yeah.
You're having beer. You're not driving?
Yeah, I'm gonna drive after maybe 6-7 hours from now.
Anyway, let's eat. I have the noodles, chicken katsu,
Ramen.
ramen for Albert, and we have one bao pao. Yeah, so nandito kami malapit dito yung sa may swing. Yun yung swing. I will never dare to do that. Ever.
Does it say parking or is it something else?
I couldn't read it. And nandito kami sa araw kami maglalakad kasi medyo malamig. It's cool today. Weather forecast is 20 pero medyo malamig today si Ale kaya sinuot yung ano niya. Niya kasi nilalamig daw siya. And yan, nandito naman kami ngayon sa floating bridge naglalakad. Parang sa Dubai din merong floating bridge. Dito naman yung floating bridge. Hindi daanan ng sasakyan, daanan ng tao. Lamig. Ganda ng buhok niya. And yan, nandito naman kami sa kabilang side. So dito makikita nyo, there's this like boat. Pwede kang mag boat cruise. We did this one ano nung
Long time back?
Oo, first time kong ginawa yan nung 2014. Nag-book si Albert, wala pa si Alec nun. So si Alec di pa niya naranasan. Maaraw, the sun is too bright but it's a bit cool. Like, okay? Sakit daw tami ng bata kasi sobrang dami. Eh, kasi nga kakakain mo. What is this, Han?
Factory making painted garnishes.
Ganda ng building, oh. Alam mo, kahit maraming beses na kaming napunta rito sa Amsterdam, na-amaze pa rin ako sa architectural niya. Ganda naman kasi nagawa. Tapos nakita niya yan. Ay, nakalagpas na pala yung boat. And, syempre, Netherlands is very famous na pinakamaraming bikes. So lahat ng kalye or daan makikita mo may bike lagi. Anyway, so we're walking to a market. Ayun, mga tourist naka-boat. So parang 40 minutes by walk from dito, which is okay. Nakakain na kami, may energy. So pagdating namin doon, makakain ulit kami. Siyempre, food is life. Ano siya, isa sa pinakamalaking market sa Netherlands. So longest market. So makikita mo rin iba-ibang klaseng food yata. Parang
Okay, also.
yeah.
As a hotel.
France Hotel. Nice side street here in Amsterdam. And yeah, so we have to walk now. Let's go, guys.